Hey guys, this is just a little update video on my waste oil rocket stove. I lined the chamber with some stainless steel, as you can see here, just to take some of the heat off of being directly against the metal. That's what I used there, because the metal was actually starting to flake off. It gets so hot, so I thought the stainless steel might help that some. Anyway, we're going to see how it works here in a few seconds. Actually, the next part of the video here, the stove, I had the oil turned up a little high and it was getting pretty hot, like 960 degrees hot, and that's a little hotter than I need it. I'm getting pretty good now at keeping it right around 600 degrees, which is a nice temperature, warms the shop up quickly. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update. It is working great. Thanks for watching.